If Microsoft Edge is showing error code 315, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help get Edge working again. We'll start by repairing Microsoft Edge from Control Panel, then we'll clear browsing data like cookies and cache, and after that, we'll run a system file check using Command Prompt. These steps are easy to follow and can often solve browser issues caused by corrupted files, bad cache data, or system errors. If this video helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the Control Panel on your Windows computer. You can do this by clicking the Start menu and typing Control Panel, then selecting it from the search results. Once Control Panel opens, go to Programs and then click on Programs and Features. In the list of installed applications, look for Microsoft Edge. If you see it, click on it and choose the option to change or repair the installation. This process can help fix damaged Edge files without removing your browser data. Follow the on-screen instructions and let Windows complete the repair. Once that finishes, reopen Microsoft Edge and check if the error is still there. If the issue is still happening, the next step is to clear your browsing data. Open Microsoft Edge, then click the 3 dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, go to Settings, then select Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find the option for clearing browsing data. Click Choose what to clear. In the menu, making sure you select cookies and cached images and files. You can also choose a time range like all time if you want to do a full cleanup. After that, click Clear Now and give Edge a moment to remove the data. Clearing cookies and cache helps remove corrupted browser data that may be triggering the error. Now let's move on to the third fix, which is running the System File Checker. This is a built-in Windows tool that scans for damaged or missing system files and repairs them automatically. To do this, click the Start button, type Command Prompt, and then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When the Command Prompt window opens, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Make sure you type it exactly as shown. The scan will begin and it may take some time to complete, so let it run without closing the window. Windows will check your system files and replace any corrupted ones it finds. Once the scan is finished, restart your computer and try Microsoft Edge again. In many cases, one of these 3 methods is enough to fix Microsoft Edge error code 315. If the browser opens normally after the repair, cache clear, or system scan, then you're good to go. If not, you may want to repeat the steps carefully or combine them in the same order for the best chance of success. If this tutorial helped you fix the problem, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Windows and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.